Alright. It start, you know. Dep on the black, me dep on the chat, some boy I don't know they happen at the shot. You notice all while me have to start my video them adapt me say. Me dep on the black, me dep on the chat, some boy I don't know they happen at the shot. Alright. It's a serious word. It's a man say. Alright, so today I got talk some thing you know. Want to talk to Jamaican people them. Because sometimes when me bring up them conversation and when I reason with some people like we are talking about history. Big man like soon 60 and then years or 60 a year. When I talk to them boys and I show them something, they laugh off of you, they turn in a quarrel. Most of the time I want to turn in a quarrel. And that is the main problem we have in Jamaica. While we have so much crime and violence, the people them, they're not intelligent. That's what I say. Intelligence is not about reading and writing alone. Yes, I say. Intelligence is study, get the knowledge of everything. Everything what you need to survive in life. Yes, I say. Once you get the knowledge of everything what you how to survive in life, then you become intelligent. Then you can reason with somebody and you don't have to quarrel with the person. Alright. Everything what go on in Jamaica now, the base come back based off of slavery. You see me I say? Alright, we go to school, we get history in a school, then give us wrong history in a school. And when I tell some man say and give wrong history, they not believe me. Big up to L.A. Lewis. L.A. Lewis, no history. Same. But one thing I not so rate with L.A. Lewis, he might big up the colonial workers them too much. Every time Andrew Wallace, say I big up Andrew Wallace. Remember I say Andrew Wallace them you know. And go when they want to win election then come down to the people them you know. Like he put on a Clarks he win. Put on a Clarks and he win. Said man them what they lock up in a prison say, and where you getting a new Clarks daddy? Said man what they frame. A theme song them a play and wearing Clarks. To win election. The tricky people then. So it's a mindset thing. See? You see want to win again in go downtown and I buy shots and the people them crowd on him and hey, it's a man say. Alright, I'm gonna show you a thing you know. You cannot not depend on labor right and PNP. See? You have a thing again. I'm gonna show you another thing. I'm gonna do another video about this. I'm gonna do a video about the Commonwealth. Saying the country them and the island them will fall on the Commonwealth. I'm do a video about that another time. You see me I say? Because a lot of people confused and they don't know what's going on. Alright, so I go tell you now where all of this started now. Why we Jamaican are no love, why we bad mind, why we protect the rich, we protect the Caucasian, we protect the Chinese, we protect the Indian, but we fight against one another. See, I'm going to show you where it come from. Alright. Back in our days, everybody know about slavery. The foreparents been through slavery. See, America, Caribbean, one place. Volcano and anything there. Sink a lot of part of the island. What you got in an island, and sink it off of the America. You see me I say? So everything went connect. Alright. Boom. you have black people there on the earth, the western part of the earth. You have Indian, they are India. Seeing? You have more black people there, Africa said we. You have white people, Caucasian, come from Europe. One place named the Caucasus Mountain. That's where they come from. You see me? Right now, President Trump, they do campaign and he have a thing when he call the caucus thing. He have a caucus sitting there. Basically, my talk about he come from the Caucasus Mountain. You see me? I say, yeah. So you can't really dash with fear. You can't dash with fear culture. You see me? I say, you can't dash with your culture, your roots, and everything. But the thing is this, you know, we've been lied to. You see me? I say, because you have one set of people come from Europe, from the Caucasus Mountain. Those people were looking for gold. They were on their way to India to find gold. See? Then get lost. So when they get lost now, then find them way. Because them couldn't make compass and something to give them direction to find India. So when they get lost now, they lost in the America and the Caribbean. That's where they come see we. When they come see we now, then war away with them bomb and then one pop gun or whatever they make and then war and get we scared. See? Then slavery. You see what I say? While the slavery are going, everybody have brain. Black people have brain. Them have brain. You see what I say? So them I say, no, I'm a plan now. How we are go? Because this a long-term thing them a deal with, you know, lifetime thing them a deal with. Because them a rule over the whole world right now. Lifetime thing. So them have to plan how we fi change the mindset of the next generation. So that's how the false history come up. You see what I say? That's how the false history come up. So when they come now and then take we over now, first when they come, you know, then find monument of the maroon people then, which is our type of people with the big nose. You see how my nose big? You see how my nose big? Big ears. Big mouth lip. That's the maroon people then. Maroon people have different color. We have dark skin, we have red skin, copper color skin, yellow looking skin. It's just a mixture. Because female skin look kind of copper, kind of look red like. You see what I say? Yeah. Or skin say brown, or maroon. You see what I say? Them the people then come sleep on the island. And if you think I lie, me I tell. Looking at Jamaica now and see who is the majority. The majority is black people, maroon. Saying China is a people that are breed up enough. Saying Indian breed up enough. You see what I say? Black people breed up enough. So if you have them the people there, every nation breed up enough. So if you have every nation breed up enough and you have white people down there, you have Chinese down there, and you have Indian down there, and you have black people down there, and the black people are enough. But that's I tell us, and them originally they on the land. But the history now what them put in a school now, they say the Arawak Indian were living on the land for 100 years untouched till the European them come. You see what I say? That is what the history, you know. Then say, then come fight, turn in a slavery, then they get the food, plant food, bring it to England, go sell, swap for slave from Africa. So then call it the triangle trade, slave trade. That is what they have in a book I teach me at school. See, remember, they say listen good now, They say Indian and come sit on the land, See, remember then try to save the Chinese them and they couldn't manage, like black people alone. So if they come and see some people on the land, slave those people, get food, go swap for more slave. See? Then China never slave, India never slave. So all you go say, India never sit on the land. You see how easy it calculate out? You see how easy? And then now they come back and say now, after slavery, they went to Middle East, India and them place and get worker and go to China and get worker come here. So that's how the Indian and the Chinese them come at Jamaica. So before when slavery are gone, when slavery just started and slavery are gone, Indian and the Chinese them never there. But them put in a history book say a Indian was on the land untouched. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So we get tricked right there, so. And then teach those things in a school for years. In America, they write a book put in a school, and black people have to fight it out, Because they say black people was taken from Africa as slave, as worker. And that's when the worker get paid. People them get mad and say, yo, take out that. You see what I say? So I have an idea now. That's how we get tricked. See? You have a group of people now. But decide say, yo, I no slavery, They maroon them. And call them a maroon, but the whole away are maroon. But it's just that set of people there now decide say, yo, we're not gonna work with this, We're free from the land no long and we don't know where them people are come from. But we are gonna war them. You see what I say? And some of the people them now scared and say, yo, me not war them, I'm gonna work with them. I'm gonna work with them. You see what I say? And I succumb the maroon them, war them. I know say black people spiritually said we connect to your ancestors and them also. And we use the power there and win the war. And when they say they can't manage the war now, they say, alright. And I know Jamaican alone all over the Caribbean and Trinidad and places, same maroon set of people, them, same tribe of people, them. You see what I say? America said we. Because you want to set there New Orleans. And if you go over there, come like we them live, come like a Jamaica there. When me come to America, I come you with them go to New Orleans. You with them go to New Orleans and say, yo, oh, we're back in Jamaica. I said, no, man, and New Orleans. You get what I say? So they in trick way. You see what I say? I saw they in trick way. So I have an idea now. Them the people that fight and then now them have to surrender and say, alright, we make up a treaty and thing. But all like a treaty thing there, me think all lie too. You see me? But anyway, then say them do a treaty and them free to live by themselves. And the other one them know what comply to the slave master them know. Then call them Jamaica. You see me I say? And Jamaica I know the right name. I don't remember the right name right now. I'm going to put it in another video. L.A. Lewis call it Examaica, but our next name you have. You have a next name too. You see me I say? But Jamaica is the business name. You see me I say? Corporation name. You see me I say? So the people them know the regular Jamaica will go under the colonization people and accept everything what they say. Then call them Jamaican. So at the end of the day now, When they decide, say, all right, the marrow them a fight, we have to left fire so. Cause we make enough money already and we get rich and everything. So we are go left here now. So then say they will get freedom. So when the freedom come, listen good, Remember, say them are slave people, them, Then say, we give you freedom now, They make we work, said we and pay with money now, You know what they do? Then go, we are India, Middle East. And get the Indian them and come give them work and pay them. And go, we are China over Asia, go for Chinese them and give them work and pay them. And we there said we on the land, I suffer. And we plant with little food and thing and try to survive. And then take away most of the land from we. You see me I say? Then now, enough for them thing now, remember now, say, all right, we're going to let free them up now. We have to build a constitution because the constitution what them build now is to protect their legacy. Because we take over the land and we own the land now. So even though they go back to England and still own Jamaica up till today. You see me I say? Because the constitution built for England, the law built for England, the money built for England. You see me I say? So we know free. So all our country them under the Commonwealth, still under slavery. So when you see you have PNP and labor right, it's just to confuse the mind of the people them, because them get tricked from day one in a slavery. You see me I say? Because when you slave the bigger people them and then dead and you pick them come, then take it pick them put one side, probably then carry them to Africa or England. And when they can work, then carry them back. And carry them back in a ship and sit and chain up and say, oh, man have a mind, say, yo, me come in a slavery and thing. You see me I say? And then teach your school and then give you false history. Then tell you what they want to tell you because they might try to protect for themselves. And that's why Jamaican people confused. You see me I say? The biggest confusion what they come with now is labor right and PNP. A lot of our people die through labor right and PNP. Remember when time I a little boy in the 80s? Seeing? Labor right and PNP, they war. Man are dead, chop up, gunshot, all kind of sitting. House are burned down, all kind of sitting they go on. And when me I go a shop and then where them parents always tell me, say, if nobody tell you, say, ask you who your parents vote for, tell them, say, none of them. Or no answer them or something. My stepmother always tell me that when me I go a shop. And my father. You see me, because I mostly grow with my father and my stepmother. You see me, I say, my mother tell me same thing. Because then time there, when I election time, I'm afraid to go up on the road. And you see them a pass in a bus and a blow a whistle and hold up fist and a red shape bell and a do them madness. You see me, I say? And a lot of our people die through politics. See? A lot of people die through politics. One leader. Labor right and PNP is one leader. So hunger. Two different ways they do it, but come back down to the same thing. You understand? It come down to the same thing. So me have a penny. So me have a penny. You see it? Hold on. I want the video pick up it. You see it? That I head. See, I have the next part now. Next part with the building panel is the back part. So you have the head or the face and the back. You see what I say? But when you check it out, it's one kind. One kind, I said we PNP and labor right. Because the same thing what they're going to tell about triangle, slave trade, are the same thing. Are the same thing. You know what I say? Are the same thing. You have England, yeah, so PNP, Labour right. So, see it? You have England, yeah, so PNP, Labour right. Everything come from the head, yeah, so. You see what I say? Surround the people, them. So, the same law will come from here, so go to here, so. The same law from here, so come to here, so. So, are the same thing. It's just it's just different. It's just different ways how they do it, but the same thing. So any idea now, PNP and Labour right, I work for the colonization for the European. Them I work for European. You see what I say? For control the slave them said way, the people them said way. If you notice, in a slavery, you can't, you don't have no money for buy nothing. Then give one little cottage to slay and as daylight you have to go out and work till night. You see what I say? Till your whole life till you're dead. Now, modern slavery now, you dey work said way, you have to pay tax, you have to pay all kind of fee. You have one little business, them I say you have to get license for this, license for that. Everything go back out, right out in a bill so you don't have no money left. So you work a whole year, you can't see nothing. You work much year till you're dead, and you're dead poor. It's the same thing. You see what I say? It's the same thing. And these people now get up now. They fight. You see what I say? Then one another. It's for a set of people who don't like you. When you see anybody who are going, that's why I see all of them are fight for going up power, you know. Right now, Mark Golding want to win. And him are coming, him want to win. And Jonas want to win back. Because that's the only way they can get for rob up our money, scam our money. Because if something go on in Jamaica now, look on day when the pandemic go on. Because the pandemic was planned to change the world, put people deeper in a slavery. You know? That's a trick. So when the pandemic go on with day, you see if money they get, what they do with it, they push in them pocket. That's why they try to fight race for getting a power. So when time Labour right now power, them are making most money because anything come for the country, they take it for themselves and share up it. You see what I say? So that's why PNP want to fight for going for do the same thing because them been doing it. You see what I say? And them sell out enough in our country, you know. So I an idea, you know, if you look in yourself now and say, yo, the two parties are doing the same thing. Saying, so what caused that? They sign a paper say, yo, we have to keep them in a poverty. Because that's why they not show you they not show you the I heard name again. Sure. Sometimes my brain freeze up. The Constitution. They not teach the Constitution. Because probably if you see, because me have 46, I don't know a Constitution in Jamaica. They not teach in a school, nothing. America, you got the Constitution. Everybody know the Constitution, right? Because me they study some of America Constitution already. You see what I say? Me don't know Jamaica. So probably if you see that Constitution, you say, bombard. A lot of things what them are doing, they should not do it. And if you see them secret thing, what them are work off, if you see what them are work off, you would never vote for none of them again. Because they don't sign a paper to keep people in a poverty. That's why look around and look good. Cartel and Movada boss, they turn the biggest artist in Jamaica. Them party country in a half. They make off a Movada run. A 2 times they make off him. A Movada run. Cartel went for run to. But Cartel saying love Jamaica and he not run. And he end up in a prison. A fight for freedom, you know. Because he's too powerful. No black man no get so powerful. None. You understand what I say? None no get so powerful. So that's the reason why. Every ghetto youth that come up, then try frame them. Look at what go on with Joshua there. Remember incident that go on with Joshua and Joshua mother and somebody when drop out and see him. Big problem. All our artists them know have to watch themselves. Anybody where they do business have to watch themselves. Then take out one of my brother. Brother, you teach him trade. You teach him trade. And he come good and him have the building and him build up a shop and a restaurant in a one. And him take out him and that. So if you look again, every black man who do business at Jamaica, then take them out. See Baba Roots man where there, then take him out. One man from Mandeville, we have 100 as supermarket, then take him out. Look how much Chinese are do business all over the country and none of them then safe. White man them safe, Indian them safe. So what make on with black people them as them start rise and take them out? Because that is what them put. Can't make these people rise up. Anytime none of them are get power, you have to move them out. So that's why I do them video, you have to tell the youth them say, stop. Fight for them. Fight for yourself. Stop kill off on one another. You see man, I say stop kill off on one another. Where gun come from? Foreign. Gun no make a Jamaica. Recently them find a gun machine down there, but a foreign mostly gun come from. See? Who carry them in? Who own the wharf? Right now the wharf owned by Chinese. You see what I say? The airport owned by the Spanish. Spanish people not like nobody. The America and the Spanish, all of them want to take over all of site, all of work. When I go up on site, I look at work and say, no English. One time, my daughter's school, them add on one big section upon the school. And every morning I have to carry my daughter to school, pick her up after school. Because she do sports, so I have to pick her up late. And I say, you know, so if I get her work, I say that good. Because me and my daughter could have go to work one time. She go to school, me go to work. And when I done work, I just wait for her. So I say, I boom and go over the office and ask the people for work. You hear what they tell me? Say, me African speak Spanish. America is an English speaking country, you know. And say, me African speak Spanish. That is the code. They don't give me no work. And at them, they are Jamaica build up peer building and he own airport. And at them pushing no fish jugs. You see what I say? So I see them people them come back. So Jamaica I go back in a slavery again. And them I make robot now. The robot them, you can't talk to them and tell them nothing. Because what them program for the a machine. You see what I say? If you go in your phone now, go in your settings. You can't change nothing in your settings, you know. And what programming they have to work off, you know. To adjust your phone to how you want if you use. So an idea same with the robot them. And them things they're not accurate because man make them. You have a phone, say they have the AI on it. So you go write a text and you want to talk. And you say, tell my wife to meet me at 7 p.m. See? You could listen tell my man to meet me at 7 p.m. If you not read it back and say, why right? You have to read it and change the spellings them. So when they build them robot they know for running world now as police and doctor and enough people go dead in a surgery. And when they come for you as police, when you look all 10 of them surround your house, you can't talk to them, negotiate to them or nothing because a machine them. When you look at peer gun for you, If them feel for kill her, they must kill a blood clot. Let's shoot. You know me say me watch them for I watch them for YouTube, you know. Them all a dance. A man have one a dance. The same move where I make a robot and make a set movements, you know. Cause what they do now, they use the phone and them sitting there and capture your identity, you know, and put in and then sitting there, you know. And they have factory build millions, trillions of robots right now in Japan and China, you know, all over the world, you know. And the police want them a high, you know. You think you can come out with that gun and say you're going to shoot them? Hmm? If they are high and you can't do them nothing. But them can mash up your blood clot. You see what I say? So we have to know what we are doing at this. We get tricked and we still are living in a trick. And when we talk to people, them cuss and want to fight. When we say, yo, no left, labor, right, and PNP, do no one thing. Right now, you know, America is a free country, you know. America free. Because the Constitution is here to protect the people, them. Human rights. You see me? Jamaica still have human rights, but there's no human rights there. Because police can come out and do anything. They rob up people, their money in a bank. See, same thing when I tell you. You work, but you have nothing. You work, you put your money in a bank. The bank people, them thief your money. And tell us if you go to why crime force what deal with crime deal with them next type of crime. A mocha, them a send it to some squad what deal with robbery and sitting in Jamaica. And you have to wait how long and you not get back your money. If you carry them a court, you not go win. Because your work, everything you work is not for you. It's slavery. So you send both take with work hard, run and thing, and then take away all that money. Why save up most of the money. And you not go get back that. Because they must say him is a slave still. So Jamaica have to move away from labor right and PNP because them set there taking instruction from the slave driver them in England and I use it on the people them. So Jamaica have to cut away from them, plant the food, take care of ourselves, create our own force, create our own security, create our own health care. If somebody sick on the road or meet in an accident, no ambulance now come, no police. People have to put blood up people in their car to rush to them to the hospital. So, them things they not go on America, Bridget. Anything happen, you call 911, boom, police did it. Fire brigade did it. Ambulance did it, everything did it. Quick, 2 minutes time. As a man say, because in every community you have a fire department, you have police, and they have enough police. So an idea, when you make a call, the nearest police come by 2 minutes, then did it, or sometimes less than 2 minutes. Worse if you have a domestic problem in your yard, somebody in your house a fight and you call police. Quick time, 2 minutes, 1 minute, then their door. They knock on your door, long time. You see what I say? That is how Jamaica for run if they want Jamaica people to be comfortable. So if you want Jamaica people comfortable and can survive, you have to give them health care, work, and safety, security. You see what I say? That's the 3 main things what people need to survive. Health care, good job, and safety, security. See? So every community now, you have a police station there, you have a fire department there with paramedics, and you have school. You have a school for the basic school, primary, high school, in the same community. So that means to say, you're there anchovy now. Nobody from Mobile can come anchovy school. Nobody for just the anchovy people them. Who they among care have for them own community down there. So Cambridge have for them own. Mobile have for them own. You see me I say every community have their own school. They have bus. They pick up picnic them. They give them provide lunch, healthy lunch. You see me and breakfast. So the children them know when they wake up on early in the morning, they not have to kill themselves to go make breakfast or them parents wait for parents to make breakfast. They just get ready and go meet them bus. As America do it, that is the best way. Meet them bus at the doorway, at the gate, and bus carry them at school, then go to cafeteria, get them healthy breakfast and go to class. So they can't stress, them have to learn. And when your picnic fail, then find a way to make them pass and put them back in a set grade. And parents have to work with them and then pass. And next year then go in a different grade. If them for graduate and then fail, then not graduate till them pass. And get them diploma to come out of high school. Then go to college or a training center. So, me do a video, me do a lot of video, and me I say, if the government now do them something there, they cannot change the mindset of the people them. Because to change the mindset of people them, you have to spend money. You have to build institution. You have to have institution for bad picnic, good picnic. You have to have trade center for people go learn trade. You have 1 and 2 down in Jamaica. You want whole it in every community. And then you have to provide job. So the country have to do things, have to build things so that people can get work. The world is big. You can build a lot of things and ship. But here we know, nobody no want to do nothing. So the party, them want to power now and go in and thief up all our money. And then the liquor man down at the bottom and look up the sun and say, oh, I saw them do it so. So then start thief too. So up at top of scam, down in a migger, police them in a migger scam said we come down to regular people them a scam. So everybody turn a bunch of fucking thief. You see me I say? You can't run a country so. Then you let in China them. China them want to try to take over a country. Them a plan for no ras. Them a selling no dirty food, rat, puss and dog already. We know a yam down there. When you go to a Chinese restaurant and want chicken, a puss no get a dog and a rat. And then season it up and you can't know. Then try over here, you know. America find out because America watch everything. Test everything. So then can't do that ras over here. So me come to Jamaica right now, me nah never know Chinese restaurant. And that's why people them drastic change, them everybody just get wild. The man have too much wild rat and dog and puss down there. You see what I say? That's why they wild so. And then them said wanna put gun in their hand to kill off them people then. Chinese man have a shop there so and black man have a shop there so and get the shutter. Saying, no man, we can't get this man selling inside that we can't make no money. You have to take him out. How much you charge, we pay you. We give you a gun and give you money to take him out. And I saw them go around. Kill off the black people then. Black people can't do no business because China them want to do business. We not have to wise. We don't have to go down in a town go. You don't have to go down in a town go. Run go to them store. No can't turn a country, plant no food. This a man a plant yam, that a man plant pumpkin, that a man plant vegetable. You see me I say a man raise fowl or a man raise goat or pig and cow or whatever they want to raise. Me not go say me a Rasta man, so me export pig. Majority of Jamaica eat pig. You see me I say, so I have an idea, me not eat it, but me have to still talk on a general talking. So everybody, the fisherman did they catch fish said way. So people work in a community and the money circulate. So you have to go downtown to China them. You see what I say? And if you not try that and watch what go happen, it go be a drastic change and people go start survive. But if you not no love, for one another, it not go happen. Notice, you ever see Chinese man come and black people place come buy nothing for name or for go and go cook or nothing. They only go for them store. Even America, yeah. They set up store all about over here. And community for them. They live one place. You see what I say? They live one place. They not like nobody at all. You see what I deal with? So how you run back at them and give them your money. Your money and your power, you know. So you run go give them your power. And them not give none of them power. Eh? More of them put gun in a little youth them hand and tell them to go kill off them own. You know, for wise. And it start. And slavery, all the trick. You see me? We get tricked. We get tricked badly. So I'm can say right now. We have to start. Pay attention to what they happen around us. That's all we have to do. And me not tell nobody to hate nobody, because black people love everybody, because everybody come from black people. But we have to love ourselves more and protect ourselves more. Look out for yourself first. Then you can look out for others. That is what everybody do. Then look out for themselves. Then they look out for others. Me there when I look work, and me last get there back in line, because first thing me no come from here. Them a serve with white and the Spanish them first. And the black American them. And me no come from here, me there back in line. So work what they no want that me get, so me have to satisfy with it and use it wise and look around, and that's me can survive. So I say, can't fight them, feed them system. But we have to create for the system. We have to build. Have to build things. Buy land and build plaza, build house, build guest house. One lady when live in America, she have some guest house, I think I don't a Negril or somewhere. She went go viral one time saying you don't want a black American in her place because they get too much problem, and she go viral. And she do her thing. You see me? And that's how we do. We build up, man, buy land, build blood cleat, guest house and Airbnb or what they want to call it in our community. And keep the community safe. Talk to the kids them, talk to the son and the daughter them. Teach them love and teach them to dash their gun, put on the fighting. That means when you build things, business, people from all over the world can come enjoy, because tourists are come from foreign and England and America, and they want to go in a community, go eat community food, go live normal like normal people. But everything created on a longer time. So what they do, they put gun in the ghetto youth them and cause confusion. Because if you tell a police somebody over there so do a crime, you know, the police are going to go back and tell a criminal, and the criminal will turn upon you and your family. So I saw them do it. So we now have to wise now and start loving one another and say, yo, we're not going to fight and hurt one another. We're going to build things and keep the country safe. That's tourists can come everywhere and we can make our money. And we protect the tourists, then we don't fight and rob and kill them. We protect them. You see me I say? And things will change. We can make all kind of money, all kind of way. You see me? We not deal with no drugs. We not deal no crime, no killing, no gun. That's what them is something they're bridging. And make we unite and love one another and build. You see me I say? Blessing and honor. Love on Jamaica. Oh, I'm out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember that. You see me I say?